What if I told you there's one simple move that can make you stronger, steadier, and more energized without weights, gyms, or running? It takes just 2 minutes a day, and people over 50 swear by it. It's called the horse stance, and it might just change how you age. After 50, every movement counts. Getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, walking with confidence. It all depends on one thing: leg and core strength. And the truth is, most people lose up to 1% of muscle every single year after midlife. That's why balance becomes harder. Joints feel weaker, and everyday tasks start to feel like challenges. But there is one ancient movement that reverses this decline, quietly, safely, and effectively. It's called the horse stance. No jumping, no equipment, no impact. Just stillness with purpose. This posture strengthens the thighs, hips, glutes, lower back, and deep core stabilizers all at once. The exact muscles that protect you from falls, back pain, and loss of mobility. Hold it for 20 seconds and you'll feel activation. Hold it for 1 minute and you'll feel power. Hold it for 2 minutes and you begin rebuilding the foundation of your body from the ground up. Martial arts masters have used the horse stance for centuries to develop unshakable legs and a strong, centered body. But you don't need to be a warrior. You just need the courage to start. Because after 50, strength isn't about pushing heavier weights. It's about giving your muscles a reason to stay alive. The horse stance is that reason. When you drop into the horse stance, it may look like a simple squat, but inside your body, a transformation begins. First, your lower body muscles fire together in a way they rarely do in everyday life. Your quadriceps on the front of your thighs engage to keep your knees stable. Your glutes, the foundation of your hips, activate to support your lower back and pelvis, and your calves tighten to keep your ankles aligned and ready for balance. This triple activation creates a powerful chain of stability, the same chain you rely on for walking confidently, preventing falls, and rising from a chair without effort. For adults over 50, this coordinated muscle work is incredibly valuable because these muscles naturally weaken with age unless they're trained. But the horse stance doesn't stop there. As you hold the pose, your deep core muscles, the ones you can't see but absolutely depend on, begin to switch on. Your transverse abdominis tightens like an internal belt. Your obliques stabilize your torso. Your spinal muscles align your vertebrae and protect your back from strain. You're not forcing any of this. It happens automatically. Your body instinctively organizes itself to stay balanced. And speaking of balance, one of the most powerful effects of the horse stance happens in your brain. Every tiny shift in your weight, a slight wobble left, a subtle lean right, sends signals through your ankles, knees, and hips straight to your brain's balance center. This constant micro-adjustment reactivates something called proprioception, your body's built-in GPS. Studies show that training proprioception improves reaction speed, stability, coordination, fall prevention, and even cognitive function. It's not just muscle training, it's neuromuscular rewiring, rebuilding the communication between your brain and your body. Think of it like tuning a radio. Static becomes clarity, weakness becomes strength, instability becomes confidence. This is why martial artists, physical therapists, and longevity experts all use the horse stance. It conditions the body, but it also sharpens the brain. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need to change your clothes. You can hold this stance anywhere, in your kitchen while your water boils, in your bedroom before sleep, or quietly in your living room during a commercial break. One position, a few minutes, a full body reset, strength, balance, stability, mind-body connection, all awakened by a pose so simple, yet so deeply rooted in human movement. When you hold the horse stance, something amazing happens. Your body begins to rebuild itself, quietly, powerfully, from the inside out. Stronger legs. Your thighs, hips, and glutes fire up like a silent engine. This one position can rewire your strength, helping you stay mobile, independent, and active without lifting a single weight. Better core stability. As you hold the stance, your deep core muscles switch on. These are the muscles responsible for posture, spinal support, and everyday movement. A stronger core means fewer aches, less back pain, and a body that holds itself upright with ease. Improved balance. Most people don't realize it, but balance isn't just about coordination. It's about tiny muscles learning to hold your body steady. The horse stance strengthens them naturally, reducing stumbles and minimizing the risk of dangerous falls. Pelvic health. This might surprise you. The stance also boosts pelvic floor strength, better circulation, better control, and for many people, yes, even a natural improvement in libido and vitality. A calmer, clearer mind. Holding still isn't easy. Your legs shake. Your mind wanders. But this challenge trains your nervous system to stay calm under pressure. It lowers stress hormones, boosts focus, and leaves you mentally sharper. Joint support without impact. If you have sensitive knees or hips, this exercise is a gift. No jumping, no twisting, no pain. Yet your joints get stronger because the stabilizing muscles around them are doing all the work. Hormonal vitality. As circulation improves and your muscles activate, your body releases a wave of natural energy. You feel more awake, more alive, and more balanced, physically and emotionally. One simple stance, zero equipment, huge benefits. And the best part? You can start today. Now let's talk about how to do the horse stance safely, correctly, and effectively. Step 1. Stand tall. Begin with your feet together. Feel your weight settle evenly into the ground. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head upward. Step 2. Create your foundation. Take a step out, then turn your toes out slightly, then your heels. Keep adjusting until your feet are about double shoulder width apart. This wide base is what gives the stance its power. Step 3. Toes slightly out. Just a comfortable angle, not too wide. Your knees should follow the direction of your toes to protect your joints. Step 4. Lower. Slowly now lower your hips, as if you're sitting onto an invisible stool behind you. Not too deep, just until you feel your legs engage and your posture stays strong. Step 5. Align your upper body. Keep your back straight, chest open, eyes forward. This posture activates your core and teaches your spine to stay supported. Step 6. Breathe with control. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale gently through your mouth. Let your breath guide your stability. Start with 30 seconds, then challenge yourself. Work up to 1 minute, then 2 minutes. Every second you hold this stance, your muscles and your mind grow stronger. Your strength grows in stillness, and it begins the moment you take that first step. Before we continue, let's pause for something essential. Your safety. The horse stance is a powerful, low-impact exercise, but like every movement, it works best when it respects your body's limits. If you've recently had hip, knee, or back surgery, or if you live with chronic joint pain, osteoporosis, vertigo, or blood pressure fluctuations, it's important to speak with your doctor or physical therapist before starting. They can help you personalize the stance so it strengthens you without causing strain. As you practice, listen closely to your body's signals. A mild burn in the thighs is normal. That's your muscles waking up. But sharp pain, numbness, tingling, or dizziness are signs to stop immediately and rise back to standing. Keep a chair or a wall nearby if balance is a concern. There is no shame in support. In fact, smart support prevents injuries and helps you progress safely. Move into the stance slowly, breathe steadily, and never push through pain. Think of this practice not as a test of toughness, but as a conversation with your body, a way of saying, I want you to stay strong for many years, so I'll take care of you today. Always remember, safe strength is lasting strength. Every second you spend in the stance should make you feel grounded, not overwhelmed. Honor what your body can do in this moment, and you'll be able to do even more in the next. In a world that constantly pushes us to do more, move faster, and chase endless goals, it's easy to forget that true strength doesn't always come from action. The horse stance is a reminder of something ancient and profound. Real power comes from stillness. 2 minutes a day, that's all it takes. 2 minutes to reconnect with your body, to awaken muscles that keep you steady, to strengthen joints that support every step you take, and to sharpen the mind that guides them with every breath, every slight shake. Every moment you hold yourself upright, you are rebuilding your balance, your confidence, and your independence from the inside out. So, will you try it today? Stand tall, breathe deep, feel your feet rooted, feel your body rise. Your strength isn't behind you. It's right here, waiting to be awakened, and your journey is far from over. You're not done getting stronger. Not yet. Not ever. Tell us in the comments, how long can you hold your stance? Like this video, subscribe for more senior wellness tips, and share it with someone who wants to stay strong and independent after 50.